Let me show you how to use the PCB connection module. Our regular types include 2 pins, 4 pins, 6 pins, and 8 pins modules. The module can be used on the PCB of a service box. You can use the tool to insert the wires into the groove of the module. Besides, the module can be installed onto the patch panel. And you can use the tool to install the wires onto the patch panel. PCB connection modules play a crucial role in providing a reliable and organized means of making electrical connections between PCBs and external components or wiring, making them an integral part of modern electronic devices and systems. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.